Alright, so I'm in a 2014 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how you would connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, and then wait just a moment for everything to load. And we're going to end up using the voice commands here to connect, so as long as you've got these, you should be able to. And that said, there is a max number of devices you can have synced up with your vehicle, so you might need to replace a phone or delete a phone in the system for this to work. But we'll get this started.
Attempting to connect to your phone. Please wait.
I haven't paired with this vehicle before, so we'll just have to wait a little bit for it to not find my phone and then walk us through the options. In the meantime, make sure device is on, this Bluetooth symbol's on.
No phone found.
You can press
to add a phone now?
to get to the pairing menu here.
Say add phone, replace phone, select phone, or no.
Add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car. When requested by the handset, enter the PIN 1234. For further instructions, refer to your phone's user manual.
So sometimes this might take a few tries. So we'll try backing out. Might have to restart the vehicle, restart the phone a few times for this to work, but usually the first time or two should work.